In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mobile view on Wix 2026 guide. Mobile visitors expect a clean, readable experience, and small layout issues can make a big difference. Open your Wix editor and switch to the mobile view so you can work with the dedicated mobile canvas. We'll move through a simple checklist to tidy things up and make your site feel polished on a phone. Start by refining media and buttons. Check each image to make sure it doesn't overflow the screen or appear stretched. Use the resize handles to keep a natural width with comfortable margins on both sides, and adjust cropping so the focal point stays visible. If an image feels cramped, give it breathing room above and below. For buttons, aim for a generous tap target, around the size of a fingertip, so they're easy to press. Keep the label short and clear, and add enough internal padding so text doesn't touch the edges. On narrow screens, centered buttons usually guide attention better, especially for primary actions like buy now or contact. If you have multiple buttons stacked, maintain consistent spacing and size for a confident rhythm as users scroll. Next, tidy the layout elements that can clutter a small screen. Decorative shapes, lines, and accents should enhance the design without covering text or overlapping calls to action. If an accent competes with important content, reduce its size, fade it, or hide it just on mobile. Review containers and boxes to ensure nothing is clipped. The content inside should expand naturally. If you see text or images cut off, increase the box height or set it to autofit so everything is visible. For social icons, make each one large enough to tap comfortably, and space them evenly so they don't wrap onto two lines unexpectedly. Keeping them in a single row or a balanced grid helps avoid accidental taps. Then review embeds and system pages. Any custom code or embedded content should scale to the narrow column. Set widths to 100% where possible, and avoid forcing horizontal scrolling. Visit your system pages, site search, members area, store, and cart and bookings, and skim them like a visitor would. Headings, forms, and buttons should read clearly in a single column with consistent sizes and spacing. Align labels and inputs neatly, keep line length short for readability, and ensure checkout or booking buttons stand out. When you're satisfied, use the mobile preview to spot any last gaps or overlaps. Finally, click Publish to make your mobile optimized site live.